A new ad encouraging Texans to get vaccinated is airing during two of the biggest nights of the political conventions. The Texas Medical Association is behind it and already ran an ad during the DNC last week. It'll air again tomorrow night. KXAN's Tom Miller talks with the association's president about why.
During primetime coverage of Republican and Democratic conventions, the Texas Medical Association is looking to deliver its own message.
The coronavirus has shown us what our world looks like when there's no vaccine for a disease.
The 30-second ad reminds people of the risks of infectious diseases and highlights the benefits of vaccines.
Health, jobs, families. Vaccines defend what matters.
How much of this campaign is aimed at getting kids vaccinated for the things we already have vaccines for versus trying to skew public perception once a COVID-19 vaccine comes out?
I think it's mostly to get people up to date because they've gotten so far behind, the kids, of course. Obviously, we do want people to feel comfortable when the vaccination is available for COVID.
But last week's NBC News poll finds people aren't comfortable. Just 44% of Americans say they'd get a government-approved coronavirus vaccine if one becomes available.
How alarming is that?
I certainly understand why people have reluctance. However, these are not going to be released without good reassurance that they're going to work.
Dr. Fite says TMA's message isn't political, and they're instead choosing to air it during the conventions to get as many people as possible watching. In Austin, Tom Miller, KXAN News.
The ad aired last Thursday, runs again tomorrow, the same nights as the candidates for president are speaking. It is airing on the three major cable news networks.